So friends, here we are now. As you can see, this is SES 22 West. As you can see the cable tie, the name there. Then we drop down to this one. This is the 8 West. This is 8 West. This one. Then we have the 4 West. 4 West is here. There's almost 4 West. You can see the degree 4 West. Then we drop down here. We have the Rascom 2.8. I hope you can see. Then below there we have the SES 5E. This is the SES. This is LNB here. Then for the Nile sat, it's here. This is a cable for the Nile sat. So you can imagine all these cables. All these cables without proper naming becomes trouble. But this is how you can do it. This is a Eutelsat 7E. This is a number here. That is how you can implement it. Actually name the cable. So I'm actually going to cut this extension so that you can look more neat. More neat. More neat. It's English. So let's see now. After I have done the full setup. So the cabling, cable management, the cable tie. That's how you do it. As you can see, all cables are managed and proper cabling, the naming. This is the Eutelsat 8 West. If you want to see which one is it, it's that one for the SES 22 West. 22 West, you can see. Then yeah, we have several. And the Nile sat, then there we have the most. Then we have the SES5 and the Eutelsat 7 West, 7 East, 7 East. Sorry. That's how it comes out, looking good. I need to give you a thumbs up.